Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Ten Best Belt Sander New Model 2021. We are going to check out top 10 best belt sander in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this belt sander, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Aikeec Mini Belt Sander Electric Grinder Knife Apex Edge Sharpener, DE Multifunctional Polishing Grinding Machine with 7-speed power supply, 10 PCS Abrasive Belts. Mini Tiny. It is mini and tiny, very convenient to do your work everywhere you want with this little partner. The belt size is 330 10mm, and the machine size is 175 110 140 mm. Material and function: high precision, solid material, complete CNC machining. Built-in double bearing, non-slip, while avoiding dust entering the inside of the machine and damaging the bearing. Adjust tightness and verticality. The workbench can be freely adjusted. The angle. You can adjust it with the most suitable angle you want, enjoying the most comfortable condition. High-speed strong motor. Mini, but the motor is super strong. No load speed, 4,500 to 9,000 RPM. This machine can satisfy you and work great in grinding metals, wood, acrylic and other materials. Reduce noise. This mini machine will not produce much noise. The noise is 75 to 85 decibels and can be acceptable by people. It will not influence the ears of operators and people around.
Top 9.
Craftsman Belt Sander, 3-inch x 21-inch, CMEW 213, 7.0 amp 3-in, x 21-in. Belt sander with an angled belt designed to sand closer to adjoining surfaces. Max 800 FPM for fast material removal. Tool-free belt release for quick and easy belt changes. High performance dust collection featuring onboard dust bag. 3-position over molded handle improves comfort during use. Compatible with the Versatrack wall organization system. Hook and accessories sold separately. 0.3-year limited warranty. Refer to warranty and support section below for full details.
Top 8.
Bucktal BD 4801 Bench Belt Sander 4 inches x 36-in. Belt and 8-in. Disc sander with 3/4 HP direct drive motor. Sanding belt and disc were directly driven by the motor shaft. Maintenance free. You don't have to adjust the belt tension, change damaged belt like before. Motor direct drive design can increase 25% sanding efficiency than the traditional design. 3/4 HP total. Enclosed induction motor supplies silent but powerful output. The belt can work at 0 or 90 degrees depending on the needs of your project. The driven drum allows for sanding of curved work pieces. Quick sander belt replacement design and humanized track control. Sturdy cast aluminum base with rubber foot prevents vibrations. 2 dust ports allows a dust-free operation when connecting with a dust collector. To ensure a better experience, we suggest matching with our Y-fitting hose. 2-in-1 sanding machine includes both a 4x 36-inch belt and an 8-inch disc. Angle adjustable work table with miter gauge used on both sanding disc and belt.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 7.
WAN 6500 4x 36-inch belt and 6-inch disc sander with steel base. 2-in-1 sanding machine includes both a 4x36-inch belt and a 6x6-inch disc belt. Tilts anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees. Features an open-style steel frame design. 3.2A motor provides up to 1150 FPM tension release. Lever makes for simple changes to sandpaper grit.
Top 6.
Makita 94034X24 belt sander, quietest belt sander in its class, only 84 decibels, 4-inch wide belt with a speed of 1,640 feet per minute for fast material removal, labyrinth construction, seals motor and bearings from contamination, large front grip is positioned for operator comfort. Variable speed control dial, NO 13 pounds, 1-year warranty.
Top 5.
Bucktal Combo 2X42 belt sander, 6-bench grinder, knife sharpener with large work table, BG 2600 upgraded model, high efficiency. This sander meets CSA standards, with heavy-duty construction, can extend using life, equipped with an induction motor that supplies the needed power running under load. The motor is 13 HP, 3.5 amp, the no-load wheel speed is 3450 RPM, and belt speed 4480 FPM. Multifunction sander. This Combo 2X42 belt sander 6-bench grinder includes a 2-inch x 42-inch high-quality metal sanding belt that can be used for general-purpose sanding and finishing on most metals, wood, plastics, and other materials. Multi-angle sanding. The belt can tilt from 0 to 90 degrees for sanding to meet your project. The belt housing can swivel from horizontal to vertical for sanding long workpiece. Easy to use. Equipped with a 6-inch 60 grit white grinding wheel with tool-free adjustable eye shield and LED light. The quick-release tension and tracking mechanism make belt changes quick and easy. 2 work table. Equipped with 2 workbenches for more convenient sanding. The cast iron belt sander work table can give better support when sharpening with metal, and the cast iron big work table can work well with wood material. The sturdy cast iron base with rubber foot prevents vibrations.
Top 4.
Metabo HPT SB8 V2 M9 amp variable speed 3 inches x 21 in. Corded belt sander includes SB8 V2 belt sander, sanding belt, dust bag motor, 9 amp 1020 watt motor, forcible power for the toughest sanding job, speed control, variable speed dial at base of handle for various applications and improved manageability, greater visibility. Clear front cover improves visibility when sanding up against a surface. Dust collection. Dust collection bag reduces airborne particles and keeps the work area clean. Dust collection. Left side mounted dust collection bag improves corner sanding applications while reducing airborne particles to keep work area clean. Warranty. Comes with professional 5-year limited warranty. Design. Flush surface design allows for quick and even sanding.
Top 3.
Makita 9903 8.8 amp 3-inch by 21-inch variable speed belt sander with cloth dust bag, powerful 8.8 amp motor, only 85 decibels, variable speed control dial, 691,440 feet min. Enables user to match the speed to the application. Auto tracking belt system tracks belt without adjustment. Innovative design for sanding, flush to wall with nose and side of sander. Front grip design for comfortable operation. Dust bag for a cleaner work environment. Long 16.4 feet power cord for easier maneuverability.
Top 2.
Genesis 4.3 amp 4 inches x 36 in. Belt 6 in. Disc combination sander with cast iron base and miter gauge, GBDS 430, 4.3 amp induction motor for quiet smooth performance. Quick release belt change system. Belt tracking knob for easy belt adjustment. Heavy cast iron base with pre-drilled holes includes 1 80 grit 4x36 sanding belt, 1 80 grit 2-year warranty.
Top 1.
WEN 6502T 4.3 amp 4x36 in. Belton 6 in. Disc sander with cast iron base 2-in-1 sanding machine includes both a 4x36-inch belt and a 6x6-inch disc belt. Tilts anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees. Sturdy cast iron base prevents any heavy vibrations. 4.3 amp motor provides up to 3600 RPM. Tension release lever provides for simple changes between sandpaper grits.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.